Hello everyone, and here I am with one of the most important question from the chapter quadratic equation, and this question we have to solve by factorization method. So let us solve. If we talk about this question, we first of all have to take 1 upon x on the LHS and solve it, and after then we just have to reduce it. Now taking LCM, and after taking LCM you must be getting this as your answer. So if we move further, we have to reduce it, and after reducing you can observe that x can be cancelled because of the opposite sign. Solving it, step 3 which you must be getting is this. So what we have to do next is we have to do the cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, you must be getting this as your equation, and now you have to take this LHS to RHS, or we can say minus AB into A plus B. You have to take it on RHS and put it equals to 0. So when you would take minus A plus B towards the another side and putting it equals to 0, you would be getting step number 5 as your equation. And now from this equation you have to take A plus B common, and after taking common you can say what is left is A plus B plus X multiplied by X plus AB equals 0. Now when you start solving step number 7, you would find that you have to use grouping method. You would find it the equation to be as this. This should be the equation. Now when you solve further by grouping, step number 8 would be arranging the equation in such a manner that you would get common brackets, you would get common factors basically. So the equation is like this, and you have to rearrange it. You have to do the grouping in this equation, and after doing it you would be getting taking x common from these two terms and taking b common from term 3 and term 4 basically. So it would be like this, and now taking x plus a common. After taking common you must be getting x plus a plus x plus b equals 0. This implies that x equals minus a comma x equals minus b. These are your answers for this question. So thank you for now.